Welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on MeSH. Notice that the tree view forces us to look through the terms to find our term epistaxis. This is cleverly designed. A term can be conceptually linked to several other terms, and the MeSH tree is structured to represent various contexts of usage. The layout of the branches aids in relevance judgments. Since the terms and the branches are related conceptually, there is a good chance that other terms might be of relevance to your information need. Let's click in the checkbox to the left of epistaxis. Notice that once you click in the checkbox to the left of epistaxis, all instances of the term epistaxis are automatically checked. All instances of the term epistaxis, moreover, are referenced to a container giving details about the term. In this container, you often see subheadings assigned to that term, and terms cross-reference with epistaxis. For example, nosebleed, nasal bleeding, nosebleeds. To the right of this container is another, smaller container. You are presented with search options. In the case of epistaxis, you can select it as the major concept, but you cannot explode it. In this container, you can also remove epistaxis from your search by clicking the X. Notice that the default setting is to include all subheadings. If you wish, you can narrow the coverage of the term to a specific aspect. For example, epistaxis as it relates to blood, or epistaxis as it relates to diagnosis. You can recognize your subheading selections by the initials listed after your term. While taking in the tree view of the term epistaxis, you may find other terms of interest, and you may want to search epistaxis in combination with that one or other terms. For example, rhinitis. By clicking in the checkbox to the left of rhinitis, it is now added to your search query. You can view your search query in the container to the right. Notice that epistaxis, together with the subheadings, and together with rhinitis, is listed. You may combine these terms with either and or. To understand the functions of and or, please refer to the tutorial on Boolean operators. Notice the plus symbol next to the term rhinitis. This plus symbol tells you that one or more terms are arranged underneath rhinitis. Rhinitis, then, is a broader category covering these several terms. If you want to search on rhinitis and also search on these closely related terms, simply click in the Explode checkbox. Once you click in that checkbox, you will also notice that in the container to the right, the Explode checkbox is also clicked. The Explode function makes sure that all terms under rhinitis are included in the search. For example, rhinitis allergic perennial, rhinitis allergic seasonal, and so on. Once our terms are selected, we can combine them using the operator and or. Let's select the operator and now run our query. You are presented with a search history providing the search terms and the number of your results. Notice the abbreviations MH, MH. By using MeSH, your terms are automatically put into a specific field. To understand what fields are, please refer to our tutorial on searchable fields. Thank you for viewing our tutorial on MeSH.